Hi, Christian Rivera here, Classic Cars of Palm Beach. We are doing a walk around video on the 2019 Land Rover, Range Rover. Boy, this thing is nice. But listen, this video here isn't going to be to hype up the car. We're doing this video to point out any flaws whatsoever so that there's no surprises for any of our out-of-town buyers. So we're going to start right away here with the front bumper. Front bumper seems to be in really good condition. That's just a little dirt that'll probably buff right off. Headlight number one looks great. Grill's in excellent condition. Land Rover emblem looks fantastic. Second headlight looks great. Front hood seems to be in excellent condition as well. No scratches, dents, or dings on the hood. The tiniest of little chips right there. That'll buff out, that's nothing. Front fender, no scratches, dents, or dings. Perfect front wheel, no curb rash, and I'm going to call the tires brand new. Side view mirror looks excellent. Driver door looks fantastic. Second door on the driver's side looks perfect. Got a tiny scuff right here that I believe I'll get probably 99% of that. Actually, I'll get all of that out. That'll be fine. Rear quarter panel looks great. Rear wheel, tiny scuff right here, but a matching set of tires. I'm going to call the rear wheels probably a little closer to 70%. Okay. Rear bumper, little chip right here. Rear bumpers always seem to take the wear. Another little scuff right here. Rear tail lights look perfect. Tailgate looks great. Autobiography signature right there. Really good looking car. Looks like you've got your original books. Look at the carpeting, it's just stunning. Original carpeted floor mats. Looks like you've got some all-weather floor mats as well as some, I don't know, some clothes hanger kind of deal. All from Land Rover originally. You've got your original cover here, which is pretty cool. See how that looks. Very nice. Your quarter panel on the passenger side looks perfect. All the side paneling is all in great shape too. Sometimes they discolor, and this looks fantastic. Rear wheel, kind of the same, couple of scuffs just like the other side. It's probably more from changing tires out. Rear passenger door looks perfect. No scratches, dents, or dings. Passenger door looks the same. All the handles are in great shape. Side view mirror looks great. Front fender on the passenger side looks perfect as well. Front wheel on the passenger side, couple little scuffs, nothing crazy. Glass, no chips, no stars, no bursts, no cracks. Top. Okay, driver door, fantastic. See, it's got the Meridian sound system. Buttons are all in excellent condition. This all looks great. This is just a tiny bit of dirt that just needs to be cleaned, no big deal. Entrance area looks fantastic. Seats look amazing, no major wear. Dashboard looks amazing. This does have heads-up display. Steering wheel and all the buttons look perfect. Stitching is just gorgeous in this vehicle. There is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell. Buttons all look fantastic here. Wood trim looks amazing. Passenger seat looks great. It's got a gorgeous suede headliner that's in fantastic condition all the way back. Rear seats look brand new. There are no warning lights on the dash. Even if there was, this is still under full factory warranty, but none there. Okay. That closes. Really pretty. Let's take a look under the hood here. original fenders.